This is a BMW R9T. I'm out for a ride. It's 90 degrees today and it is really freaking hot. It's April. Don't know why it's 90 degrees. Heading to the coast, which is that way. Be there in a few minutes. Okay, now that we got some video going, let's go down the coast. Did you see that wave out there in the ocean? Well, if I figure out how to drive this thing, watch this next wave that comes in. That's an overheader, no doubt, man. Let's head down the coast, the 101. So I'm sitting at this light and these guys join me, two Harley riders, and I wave them on, tell them to go ahead, I'm going to take your video. So one of the things that I've been working on is a new set of indicators for my BMW. Been working on the front, got a new batch in. These are white and I decided to put them on my bike. I wanted to see what they look like. Got my flashers running. These are really, really bright LED turn signals. You can take the boy out of the desert, but you can't take the desert out of the boy. Here's a set of black indicators that I have. I think I like the black ones better than the white ones. I guess it just depends on what kind of bike you put it on.